Hey guys, I'm super excited about this item that Arzopa did send to me. This is a really nice 144 hertz 1080p monitor, horizontal, vertical, it doesn't really matter. This thing is awesome. Doing an unboxing, we're going to show you everything there is to see about this thing. I love this thing. Stay tuned, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at an item that Arzopa did send to us. It's a 16.1 portable gaming monitor. You can use this as a gaming monitor, a second monitor, a TV, anything. Hook it up to your phone, hook it up to your laptop. You can mirror your laptop, anything you want to do. It's got built-in sound, all kinds of cool things. This is a 1080p FHD with a kickstand. Fantastic. Let me just show you a quick unboxing. You can just see the quality. It's fantastic. It's all lined inside. A heavy cardboard, not that cheap stuff, made really well. It's got an instruction manual all included, really easy to use, super simple. Take time, read that. Again, the experience is absolutely wonderful. Here is the monitor right here. Let's put this to the side. Now let me just show you some of the accessories that are included. You have an HDMI to mini HDMI connection. They give you that included in the package. They give you a USB, a USB-C and USB connection, also adapter, and USB-C to USB-C adapter. They give you 3 different options of hooking up and powering the device. It all is super easy to use and easy to mirror with your laptop or your Mac, whatever. Or if you have a breakout box or whatever, you can have additional monitors, whatever you need. This is absolutely a really nice quality item. All right, let's take it out of the package. I'm going to set it up and show you what it looks like. It's absolutely amazing. Look how thin this is. This thing is so thin that is quite awesome. You have a connection ports right on the side here. You can see here, 2 USB-Cs and 1 HDMI, micro HDMI. Also, there's some connection. There are also switches here, turning it on and off and switching the different ports. You can do that. And really the best part of this whole thing, honestly, is this awesome kickstand that makes it totally adjustable. So you can adjust it standing straight. You can have it tilted all the way down. You can have it tilted down really low. Really amazing flexibility with this. I really love that quite a bit. That is really a huge feature. I absolutely love that. All right, I'm going to set this up in my monitor. I want you to see it. I want you to hear it. And you're going to absolutely love it. I'm definitely going to recommend this 1000%. I want to thank them so much for sending it out to me. I really do appreciate that. They have some really good quality products, guys. They really do. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you, I'm going to put a link onto a photo frame they sent me, which is absolutely amazing. So take a look at that as well. But this thing here is absolutely lightweight, portable, powerful, and fantastic. And I love that. And it's just a great, and it feels premium. That's the main thing. It feels premium, and it's going to be awesome. All right, let's get this hooked up and see how it looks. Okay guys, we're back. I plugged it in and you can see it's one plug operation. I plug this in just to my USB-C. It'll play audio, it'll play video. I have it mirrored to my Mac Studio, so I'm going to use this as a secondary monitor. And you can see I shot all this last year on with my phone in 4K, and this is a little farmer's market in Florida. And you can see the detail, the colors. I mean, everything in this is absolutely fantastic. You don't see any jittering. The refresh rate is beautiful. The colors are spectacular. Absolutely awesome. Now you can put this at an angle. You can see everything here. It's just really quite well made. Again, lightweight, powerful, colorful, great second display. You get 2 of these, have 2 displays. You can just see how this is working absolutely fantastic. Now just let me turn up the volume here. Okay, so you can see here, you can hear the actual volume coming out of here. The volume is really good. Fantastic. I mean, you can hear people talking in the background. Just really nice. And you can see the quality of this video. I'm testing some samples. I'm talking to some people. It's really kind of cool. I mean, you can see the detail and the cheese. You can adjust the color. You can adjust the contrast. I'm telling you guys, this is a really nice monitor. Look, I'll hold it at an angle. You can see almost 100%. You can still see it. I mean, it's lightweight, powerful. Let me lower this volume down. I plugged it right into my Mac Studio, no problem. If you hook it up to a phone or another device, maybe you have to add an additional power supply, which you can do if you need to power it. You can do both. It's really that easy. But one plug, one connection. Look at this. This is absolutely amazing. Look at the detail in this. I'm serious. Look at the colors in this thing. Absolutely amazing. I mean, you can just see I'm moving this all around. Absolutely beautiful. It's going to be a great second monitor for doing some editing and some display work. You want to use it as a monitoring for product reviews. You want to see some of your products. This is a really nice quality monitor. It's no joke. I absolutely love this, guys. So I'm definitely going to recommend this 1000%. For another video I did with them, I did a video on their photo frame, which was absolutely, again, another amazing product. I was absolutely super impressed with that. The quality was impressive. And this is just just as good or even better. I love this 1080p, full 1080p, great refresh rate. The hertz is fantastic. I mean, I'm telling you guys, this thing is rocking. I love it. So if you enjoy this content and you enjoy what I'm doing, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps me out quite a bit. It really means a lot to me if you could do that. I'm just asking you. That's all I ask you to do is just follow, like, and share. And if you love this kind of video, go ahead and purchase it. It costs you nothing. I get a small commission. Just helps my channel and costs you nothing. So I'm telling you, I like it. I love it. It's plug and play. How can you beat that? It works. I mean, it's beautiful. Just mirror it with your Mac. Make sure you go into your settings and just mirror it. And it's absolutely super crystal clear. I absolutely love it, and you will too. All right, guys, I'll see you at the next review, and thanks for watching. I think this is a winner in my book, and I really appreciate them sending it to me. Thank you very much, and have an awesome day.